All right, good morning, good morning. All right.
Are we live, Katie?
We're getting there. Now we are. I think we are. I don't know because no one's jumping on. All right, this might be, because it's not me. Okay, this is just, I'm sideways, aren't I?
That never works for us, remember?
But then it says rotate your phone. You can't turn your phone while recording. All right, you need to open up your phone and check it out. We might have some issues. Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone. We're already having technical difficulty, but we will get this figured out because I think I think you're seeing it sideways. Hey Janet, are you seeing it sideways if you can hear me? Because, good morning, everyone.
You're good.
I'm good. This is going to be interesting. Look at my picture. But I'm good.
Oh, but you're not.
I'm not good, no. But if I rotate it, it won't allow me to rotate it.
Because you're already filming.
Darn. All right. So, oh, because if I rotate it, it went that way, didn't it? All right, this is going to be interesting. My screen is sideways, but we'll just go with it. We disconnected. We don't have a good connection today, and I apologize for that.
I wonder if we log out and come back in.
Just
I'm
completely go
still
out.
this
You're
way.
still on? So you're still, just
yeah.
wait, because it stopped. All right, we might have to, gosh darn it, you know what, Diane, I was going to be on 9:30 exactly, and I was, and it always something happens.
Oh, I know.
doesn't
We
it?
try, ladies. We
Oh,
try.
my. Oh, look at it, and Chris is moving in slow motion. Yeah.
Huh.
All right. Oh, there, see, but we're back now.
Okay,
But it's
we are
very
sideways.
slow. Hey, if
Now we're back.